You are going to absolutely love this drawing hack. It's so fun to do on your own or with kids or in a classroom. So say sketch down below to join our sketchbook project where you can, they're doing it right now, create projects just like this. It's super fun. You can say sketch down below to join. It's free and you get a new prompt every 4 days, and there's fun, cool tricks and hacks just like this. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them down below on how we do this and the materials that we use, anything like that. We're happy to chat anytime, but if you want all that info, say sketch and you can join up. We will have our supply list in there. And if you would like more information, check out our bio on our classes and everything that we offer, and follow along for more tips and hacks just like this. Okay, you're going to start with your sketchbook or some watercolor paper, and you're going to tape down your edges. That will make sure that your paper doesn't warp and it doesn't get as wobbly. It's also fun to do 2 pages in your sketchbook if you'd like. There, that gives you a better view. And you let it dry all the way, and then you have 2 surfaces to work on, right? Like to tape it like that, so then your sketchbook stays open. Go, and we'll tape these as well. It also gives you a nice little border to play with or frame your piece, so that's cool. Go. So I like to actually lightly come in wet on wet so the acrylic spreads better. If you have tempera paint and you're in a school, that is totally okay to use whatever materials you have. This is called paper prepping, paper stretching. It's a technique that I learned in college. I did both. And I carried it on 20 years later, almost. Oh, 20 years. I will not do that in my sketchbook because it is not a watercolor sketchbook pad. It is for emerging artists and youth type of sketchbook. It is my son's, so I will come in with straight up paint for the sketchbook. Okay, let's go with, this is my favorite brand of paint, by the way. Favorite brand right here. It's pretty new. Well, Golden Acrylics is not new, but the So Flats are a new product of theirs, and I love them because they're ready to go. And of course, I like anything that is quick because, okay, I have 3 boys that you probably hear all the time or make, that's way too much. I make art with. I'm like the Julia Childs of art making. Just a little dab, but the whole blob. Okay, so, oh, that's thick. Oh my gosh, I am really laying it on today. It's a bit too thick because it's probably just getting a little bit dry in its container. Oh, splash. Don't worry, art is messy and fun. You can't do it wrong. Have fun with it. Pick a light, exciting color that is calling to your heart. It'll turn out great. I'm going to use that same color in one of these. There. Go. And you can let it dry on its own. Make sure the edges are secure. Or you can use a hair dryer if you want to speed along the process. It'll dry in like 5 minutes. Totally up to you. So for the sketchbook, I'm going to apply it right on there.
Mom, are my trunks in there?
Your trunks are in the swim bin, probably.
Okay.
Oh, my tape's coming off. Go. See how it gets all wobbly and like buckly? Don't worry, it will
dry nice and flat. We will hair dry it a little bit. The sketchbook won't dry as nice and flat because it's just not as high quality paper. But these are fun because we'll just do them with the kids and it'll be a total blast. So it's not really a big deal if it's a little bit wobbly. All right, so you picked that one and you picked teal. I picked a high top. And
wait, can I cut this into a square?
Sure, let's do that.
Wait, can you get the scissors?
I can. Go cut away with that. And the first step is to rub oil pastel on the back of your printout. So just wherever that shoe line is. So I'll get started. You can pick any color of oil pastel. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I think I'll go with this kind of that pretty color. Green on green. Just evenly rub it like this way across it. Yep. Add some layers. Oh, are my fingers in the way? Okay, another layer.
Not another way.
Yep, it has to be this dark, or it won't transfer on very well.
Hey, hold it.
That's right. You got it. Okay. So we pick where we're gonna put our shoe. Next, I think I'll choose right there. And tape 2 pieces of tape on the top edge. Remember to mark your corners just in case you lose your place. Right? Which can happen. And you make your mark. And it will transfer onto your underpainting. Very cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
How's yours going, Teddy?
Good.
Ooh, looks good. Teddy, good job. Looking good. Oh yeah. All right, so the trick is if you want a darker mark, you press harder and you go over it twice. If you want just kind of, nice, Teddy.
I want to see this.
Okay.
Oh.
If you want a bit of a lighter mark, say a smaller line, you just kind of press lightly. If you wanted any shaded area, which not a lot of these are, but you can push your tool sideways and do shading that way too. So those are how you make different types of marks. You can do the stitching. Oh, it's looking happy face for a happy
day.
Yeah. Want to flip yours up? Want to flip up? Ooh, looking good, Teddy. How do you feel about that?
Good.
I like the blue you chose. Beautiful. Coming along. And next we're going to come in with colored pencils.
Muse.
Inmuse. That's what it says. Inmuse.
Called-
Inmuse. These are our favorite dual tip paint pens. They are awesome. They have a brush tip as well as a fine point tip. They're in our Amazon shop in our bio. They are so awesome. And They're great for, actually you can customize on the real sneaker as well as you can customize your sneaker here. But again, like if you don't have supplies, you can use whatever you have. Like if you have a classroom, this is great because most classrooms have access to a printer and oil pastels. So it's a great hack for that. But you can use tempera paint, whatever you have on hand to make these happen. Just, it's important you spend time creating with kids now more than ever. And they totally love this so much. So have a lot of fun with it. Okay, so you get the Mod Podge. And a little
We take a little piece of gold.
Yeah, and you take a little piece of gold. Just need a little bit of a paintbrush. No, just wait. Just wait. Just wait, just wait.
Ooh, that's
Start over. Okay, are we? Here we go. Say cheese. Cheese.